Hi, it's Miss One here. I want to welcome you to this week's class where I will teach you how to draw Focus, the autistic superhero, with a beaver and elk, and you as a new local superhero in Beaverton. So what you will need for today's class is a piece of paper, pencil, and eraser. If you have recycled paper and a mechanical pencil, it would be better for the environment. If you don't, then regular paper and pencil will be okay. First, I want you to split the page into 4 columns so we can figure out where to put the characters on the page. So I want you to split the page in half like this, and then half again on the left and half again on the right. So we've created 4 columns. The first column is going to have a beaver. The second column is going to have focus. The third column is going to have an elk. And the fourth column is going to have you as a superhero. I want you to draw the ground so you can figure out where to draw the characters. So that's roughly like an inch on the page, like this. So next I want you to make a note of what we're going to draw on the top of each column. So next I want you to draw a round circle, and that's going to be the moon. Next, I want you to draw a line halfway between the moon and the ground. By creating grid lines, we can figure out where we're going to put all the characters. Next, I want you to draw a circle like this, taking up half the space in this box, and that's going to be the head. And then next, I want you to do an upside down U like this, all the way to the ground, and that's going to be the body. Now, about 1 centimeter from the ground, I want you to draw a line across, and then I want you to create some curves like this, turning the bottom bit into shoes. Next, I want you to draw the arms like this. So we're going to draw 2 circles representing the beaver's snout. Then we're going to connect the 2 circles to create the actual nose. And then I want you to draw the eyes and the teeth. Next, I want you to draw the ears, which is basically upside down C on both sides. And next, I want you to add the tail on the left-hand side and cross hatch it. And next, I want you to draw a circle in the next column, and I want it to be the same size as the beaver head. So I want you to do an upside down U on the body, and then I want you to draw 1 centimeter from the ground to define the bottom of the body, and then I want you to put a central line to separate the legs, and then I want you to arch the bottom bit to create the shoes. Afterwards, I want you to put a smiley face on focus, and then add lots of disco ball tiles. And next, I want you to draw another circle, and we're going to draw the elk. And I want you to draw another circle to represent his snout. Draw the nose and the eyes, and then the antlers. And the antlers look like little forks. For the body, I want you to do an upside down U, a line across, like before, and then separating the legs with a central line, and then curving the edges to create the shoes. Now I want you to take an eraser to erase the unwanted lines so you can clearly see the shoes forming shape. Next, I want you to draw the arms like this. And there we go, you have your elk. Next, I want you to draw a circle to represent you as a superhero, and then I want you to draw the body with an upside down U, and then 1 centimeter from the ground I want you to draw a straight line, and then divide the legs with a central line, and then curve the sides to define the shoes. I then want you to draw the arms and hands. And now onto drawing your features as a superhero. So I want a smiley face, and then what I want you to do is draw the hair how you have it. So if you have short hair, you just draw it like this, or you have long hair, you can add sides to it like that. So you can do the hair any way you want, so the character looks like you. Next, I want you to draw triangles to represent the superhero cape, because superheroes wear capes. And then I just want the rest of the cape shown through on the side like this. And then I want you to think about your superpower, and I want you to draw a symbol on the superhero's chest to represent your superpower. So this is Diamond Girl, so I drew a diamond on her chest. So just think about a superpower that you want, and then just draw the symbol on the chest to make it your superhero costume. So I want you to think, next I want you to draw a magic tool that you want for your superpower to help you fight crime. So that could be a rope, or it could be a hammer or a magic wand. Drawing the hand like this, so it looks like the superhero is holding. Now that you've done the characters, I want you to draw a present on the bottom of the page. And then next I want you to draw a tree in the background, because there's lots of trees in Beaverton, and we're going to decorate it using these cute bubbles. And then I want you to draw some tinsel on it. And then next I want you to do the Beaverton sign in the background. So you just draw a really long rectangle from the side of the beaver to the superhero, and then just write in big letters Beaverton. And then it's going to have some wood propping it up. So I just want you to draw a straight line going from the top to the bottom. And you don't have to worry about making it straight, because we'll make it straight when we start inking it next week. So this completes our pencil sketch for this week. I look forward to seeing you next week, where we will ink and colour this drawing and bring it to life. I hope you had fun. See you next week.